Hello and welcome back to Chris Hairpire. So this is another corkscrew twist video, guys. So we are using this Brazilian wool hair, and here I'm showing you how I parted or cut the hair. It was doing like half a meter, like 50 inch or 50 centimeter, please. And I discovered it was long and I reduced it to 40 centimeters. So we are doing one, two, three, 4, 5, and 6 strand of wool. Yes. So we are going to be braiding with 6 strand of wool each. So guys, when using Brazilian wool to braid your hair, remember to moisturize the hair very well because wool is so drying. Yes. And also don't grip the hair too tight. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video, and turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. So we go ahead and braid as you can see me doing here. And after braiding, you get two strand or a strand of wool. Here I'm using one, you can use one or two. You like wrap it over the braided parts to cover it, then you go ahead and get a strand to tie a knot in order to secure it. You tie a knot like that. You can use the strand of hair or wool that you used to cover the braided parts to still tie the knot. It will still be good. So at this point we are working with 12 strands of hair. So this time we are doing like this is 2 by that's 2 into 10 because 6 plus 6 should be 12. That's how we rule the hair. Then you just go ahead and do normal twist, like the normal twisting like I'm doing, and then you hold the 2 strand and push up the 10 strand, thereby creating the twist because we are doing like 2 by 10. That's we are twisting 2 over 10, and then you push again. Then you go ahead and use this extra purple color here to secure the bottom part. And if after securing the bottom part you discover that the hem or the twist is not too tight, you can still go ahead and hold the 2 strand and push up the 10 strand up to make it more tighter and firmer, shining. Yes guys, and at this point we are cutting off the part that we don't need. So if you've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a member of this family. Yes guys, we are making the world a better place in our little way. So subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So we are still using 6 strand of hair. We go in here and braid just like we did previously. So I'm still reminding you guys, when you are braiding your hair using wool, always moisturize the hair very well before braiding because wool is so drying. Wool is so drying, it can rip off all the moisture from your hair. So moisturize very well. So I'm using a strand of wool here, wrap it over the braided part. You can tie a knot to secure as you see me doing here. Then you go ahead and choose 2 strands of wool and flip it over 10 strands because we are using 6 strand by times 2, which is 12. So this is the 2 by 10. Twine and flip over, twine and flip over. This is the simple technique. You can still just flip over without twining, as you can see me do, as you are seeing me doing here. You still get the twist, but it will not be shining and solid as mine. So at this point, you hold the 2 strand and push up the 10 strand by creating the twist, as you can see me doing here. You continue twining the 2 over the 10 and push it up. Use the extra hair to secure the bottom part so that it doesn't loosen and so that everything stay in one place. Guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for always sharing my video. So let me know where you are watching this video from, and let me also know in the comment section how this hairstyle is called in your area. How do you call this hairstyle? Let me also know if this is the hairstyle you would like to try on yourself, on your baby, or your loved ones. So guys, we are finally almost done. This is the last braid, and at this point my client, my baby girl, was so tired. She kept on shaking her hair because she was tired, but it's the last braid, and let's just run up as she goes and rest also. So we braid the bottom part. Use a strand of wool or two. Twist, like twist it over the braided part to cover it. You can use a strand of hair to knot it to make it secure. Then here we are using 2 strand, twisting 2 strand with 12 with 10 strand, because 6 plus 6 times 2 is 12 minus the 2 strand. So this is 2 strand, twisting and flipping over the 10 strand. So we keep on twisting, we twine, flip over, we twine, flip over, like the normal twist, right? Like the Senegalese twist. Yes, so we keep twining and flipping over, and when you are getting to the bottom at this point, I am covering a shorter portion so that it doesn't make the hair look rough. And when you get to the end, you hold the portion that is 2 strand of hair, and then you push up the portion that is 10 strand, thereby creating the twist, as you can see me do here. I show this or demonstrate this in a slow motion so that you can better understand. But if so far guys you have any question or anything you don't understand in this video, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to clarify you. So guys, watch this video right to the end in order to get the instruction. Follow the instructions so that when you are doing your own twist, you will get the perfect twist. So here we go ahead and secure the edge with our purple color wool. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, just go ahead, like this video, hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a video you'll be instantly notified. So voila, this is the final look. So I go ahead, use my lighter to burn the edges, that is to make it more secure so that it doesn't loosen. Guys, be very careful at this point not to burn yourself or your client. And also my olive sheen spray. So guys, thank you for watching.